Hello everybody, welcome to the sorry, someone spelled that. Hello everybody, welcome to another video. And today, I'm playing some more I'm playing a game called Watch Dogs. I already know that since I've been playing this game actually for a while now. So yeah. So guys, about the whole not making videos for like days thing. Yeah, I'm really sorry about that, but I actually had just gone on vacation a few days ago. I think it was like 2 days ago. I went on a 4 or 5 day vacation. We had a little bit of trouble over the vacation, but it was all good. We did a lot of stuff, and it was awesome. So yeah, I'm really sorry, guys, for not uploading a lot. And I know you guys are probably saying, well, you could have just been like an announcement video when you got home, right? Well, no, because right when I got home, right when I woke up the day I got home from vacation in the morning, I had to go to my mom made me go to me and my mom and a few other people went to a lake called Swansea Lake. It's a really fun lake. Yeah, I should go there. But yeah, there was a I mean it was a it was amazing. There was an amazing thunderstorm last night. I don't know if you guys saw it, but it was awesome. So anyway, let's finally get into the game when I'm just like circling around all thing. So as you can see, I am Aiden Pierce. If you guys don't know, this game is all about hacking. There's nothing more to it than hacking, well, than story mode and this stuff. But yeah, you can like profile people, you can hack them to get money out of them. It's not really a glitch, but there's kind of like an exploit in this game where if you just go to a certain place and just walk, just sprint in a certain place and just hack everybody, there's actually a lot. There's a lot of money there. The Mad Mile in this game is the Mad Mile. Mad Mile is like a place in this game. You guys should know this by now, but the Mad Mile is a place, and in that place is where the really, really, really rich people are. Like the really, really rich people, that's where they live. The Mad Mile. So let's see what we're gonna do here. I think I'm gonna go do a mission. I'm not exactly sure. Not exactly sure yet. Actually, first, where is it? Mission? There's a campaign. A risky bid. I guess we can go do the campaign since I have nothing really else to do right now. So yeah, wrong way. So yeah, guys, I will do some funny stuff in this game. I bet, because yeah, that's what people like in videos, right? Funny stuff. It's a laughing videos too. Oh, it drifted. Drifted, and I completely missed that. Okay then. Dang it, I wish this was driver San Francisco. You just put the left analog set up so that you could go boost with nitro boost. That would be awesome if you could do that in this game too. Oh god, that's a long ways. 1,300 and 1,200. I'm not even gonna try. Not even gonna try. I got 1,000. Oh, I'm bad. Guys, heck, my throat. Guys, if you have not noticed yet, I am a very bad driver in this game. I do not drive well in any game, except for Driver San Francisco. Since Driver San Francisco is easy to drive in. Like, I'm not even going to lie right now. It's probably one of the most easy to drive games, driving Xbox games I've ever seen. Well, actually, no, except for Need for Speed Pro Street. The game is so easy. Hey, an online race. I'm not gonna do that. Ah! As you guys can see, I don't stay straight. Because I can't stay still. I don't know how that's connected, but somehow it is. Oh, I almost missed the time. Okay, so I think we're almost there, guys. Oh! Yeah, I did not need to kill somebody. You might want to get out of here now. No, we just killed somebody. I had no clue I was going to accidentally kill somebody. Okay. And by the way, if you didn't know, I actually like to keep a reputation in this game because there actually is a reputation in this game, so it's cool. Makes sense. It's logical sense. So I think so we're almost here. Oh.
Something tells me it's not going to go down that way.
No dip, it never goes down that way. In Act 2. Yeah, guys, I'm on Act 2 right now. I've done a lot of the story mode in this game, so just stay with me here.
My merchandise. Where can I find that's a request. Just all came with my cash to a security job. You want to sample of you girls pulling over the bed. You gotta be strong. 3 girls are on limits. Yeah, I do. Make sure it's a quiet night or we turn up the empty up there forward. Our clients are low key. Yeah, why is the payment over? Hey, you're rash. Never mind. Also, we dealt with them soon enough.
So where do I have to go?
So you something. Way I'm going down for you shit and everything. So there better not be any fuck up.
Okay, so here we go. This is the hacking state right here. Yeah, so all you have to do is just connect all these. But that was easy. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. I don't know if I can actually show that. Okay.
This is Mr. Crispin. Taking the room, Mr. Quinn.
Okay, I don't know if I can actually show this, guys.
Step aside. Please wait. Mr. Quinn is up there with that rat.
I really want to explode this guy right there.
All due respect, the show me ain't gonna listen. Shit all this now. Extra security ain't about this shit canceled. Chris, July, sure, you see your lead. Relax. What you have to do? Go make a search. I'm in a stretch. Men are expendable. There's no special suit. Anytime. I got to kill my man. Fortunately, right, my little pageant? Oh, which one? Oh, I should get you back. Give you all the chocolate. You see, that's the man. Jesus yourself. You see, not to thank you.
Mr. Crystal.
I wanted to talk to you about Crystal. You know something is wrong. We need to get out of here now. Yes.
Okay, guys, so we made it to the. Had no idea that was about to happen. I'm so sorry. Oopsies. That was not supposed to happen. I don't think it was. Come on, it's like 3 inches. Come on, it's like not even half an inch away. Oh my god, load. Come on. What up? Get up.
Mama, that's you.
So you gotta look for a camera. That was awesome, by the way. I'm actually gonna use the 416 because I want to. How do I open this? Ah, here we go. Open. Some parts too. Frag grenade. So now I can go here. Now, oh. I'm actually gonna use my AK.
No! That is a good idea! Shit, careful! Watch out!
Oh god. Okay, there we go. What's up, mother trucker? Oh god. Oh. Oh. Frick. over again. Oh. God dang it, dude. I can't do this. This is hard. You guys can already tell. This is really hard, and I don't have any new guns. So. Are you kidding me right now? I'm done. I'm done. Seriously, I'm no. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. Okay, guys, that's it for this video. I'm really sorry. It's not just because I'm rage quitting. It's because it's over 20 minutes, and yeah. So I will be back in the next video. Oh my god. I'll see you guys in the next video. This was Wahoo Gaming. This is Wahoo Gaming here. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.